Hello children, myself Sarita Shetty. Today we'll be doing lesson number 6, Tux Paint. Children, we already know how to work on MS Paint. It is same as MS Paint. Only few changes are here and there. So now let us start with the Tux Paint. Now let us see what is Tux Paint actually. Okay. Introduction. Tux Paint is an amazing drawing program designed for young children. It has simple and easy to use interface. It also has fun sound effects and encouraging cartoons mascot that helps children to use the program. It provides a variety of tools for drawing in Tux Paint. We can use tools and save images directly as thumbnail, and there is no need to specify a file name. You can download and install in your computer free of cost. Now let us see how to start Tux Paint. Okay, you can click here on the start button, right, like MS Paint, and scroll it down till you get a Tux Paint. Okay, now TST. So can you all see here Tux Paint? Click on this drop down arrow and then click here Tux Paint full screen. Now you see this. The screen will appear like this, right? Now, okay. Now how to quit? You see this? Here you can come and click on quit. Okay, yes, I am done. Okay, and other part you come here and type tux, TUX, right, and here on the screen it will appear. So I'll say open. Okay, so the tux environment or the paint is open, right? This is the way you open Tux Paint. Just look at it children, how colorful it is and how beautiful it is looking, right? I request you all, when we are doing this, all of you should have headphones so that you can hear the sound, right? Okay, this is how you can open the Tux Paint. Now you have already learned some of the drawing tools such as line tool, paint tool, magic tool and erase tool, right, in MS Paint. Now here also we'll see some of the shape tools. Okay, now here you go, right, you can see so many tools are there. What are they? Paint is there, stamp is there, okay, shapes, lines, text, fill color, magic color, eraser is there. If you want to open a new document, if you want to print, if you want to quit. Okay, and this side you have types of brushes are there. Okay, these are the brushes and shapes. Okay, now let us see. If I click on these shapes, okay, I have number of shapes here. Now what will I do is I will take a star from here, okay, and I will draw it on the screen. Yes, now this star you can rotate according to your need. Okay, this star, okay, this I have drawn. Now I can fill the color. Suppose here orange color. Okay, now wait. First I'll take an eraser and rub this out. See the voice, background voice. Okay, again take the eraser. Okay, again we'll start. Click on shape, right, then come down and select the color, red color, take this star. Okay, this is how you are going to give the colors. Or one more shape will take. I'll select some other color, right. This is the fill color if I take. Okay, so suppose triangle if I take. Okay, again I'll change the color, take this fill color. Okay, so this is how you can draw the shapes in this. Already shapes are given, right. Now let us see how to draw lines. Okay, now this is finished. So what I will do is I will take a eraser. and I will rub everything whatever is given. Okay, finished. Okay, now we'll draw lines. You see these lines? Click here and draw the line. Okay, now take some color, click here, right? Another color you want to take. Okay, this is how you can draw colors. Okay, now let us see about the text. Okay, so we will take text from here. I will type here. Suppose if I am typing here TEXT, text tool. Okay, text tool I am writing here. Here are the font type and sizes. Suppose you see this change. Can you all see the change? I'll make it screen, I'll make it a little bigger. You see this. Okay, can you all see? Now what is this in Bengali? Bengali it is. Okay, so this is how you can. Okay, now okay, closing program. Okay, it is closing program, no problem. We will come back again, children. Hello children, we are back. Now let us see about the stamp tool, right? Now you all can see here stamp here. Take the stamp. Okay, when you click here stamp, you get options here. At the right hand side you get options of the stamps. Okay, there are only few stamps here. So just take this, click here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is how you can do stamping. Now here again we'll take some magic tool. Okay, where is magic tool in this? Can you all see? Where is magic tool here? Can you all see? Can you all see? Is this a magic tool? Yes, this is a magic tool. Okay, if I click here at the right hand side, I will get all the magic options here, magic tool options, right? Now from that I will take this brick. Okay, and you can select a color from here, which color you want, and can okay, so supposing again we'll change the color. Okay, this is how you can do it. Okay, fine. Now let us draw some of the figures, some of the shapes also. Again we'll go back in the shapes, right? Then we can draw any shapes as I showed you. Okay, circle, pentagon, right? All these things. Now if you want to quit, what you'll do? Come here, quit. Yes, no, I don't want to save. Okay, save. Okay, save it. Okay, it is saved and quit. Okay, thank you children. I hope you must have understood this lesson. Very easy to understand. I will explain you when interaction is going on, but till then you have to go through the video again and again to understand better. Thank you.